In these next series of videos, we are going to introduce you to the components of the food sustainability portion of the GLEE curriculum. This will teach girls both the importance of eating sustainably as well as different methods to achieve environmentally friendly eating behaviors.
Being able to teach children about the environment, especially here and now, is such an important task and such an important opportunity that we get and a role we can play in our kids' lives. It's such an important time not only for us and for our planet, but in the lives of the children that we know, that we be able to help them understand the impact that they have on the world and how they can live more lightly on the planet in a way that honors the ecosystems around us and also the role of humans in those ecosystems.
Some of the things that we talk with them about and that they hear their parents talking about or maybe even see on the news can seem a little down, and it may seem like there's nothing that they can really do about it. And one of the things that we really like to talk to them about is how they can be empowered to really make a difference. So, for instance, we might talk about how if they are using plastic water bottles, the process of getting these water bottles to them uses a lot of oil, and that's bad for the environment. But they can do something about it. They can choose not to use plastic water bottles, and that makes them feel empowered and it gives them agency. And they can then enter those conversations with their parents later and tell them, hey, guess what I learned, and guess what I'm gonna do, and guess what you can do too.
Just as in the home energy curriculum, there are 5 sessions accompanying the food sustainability curriculum. The activities in each of these 5 sessions are the food origins game, the food choices game, the advocacy game, the role-playing game, and the pact ceremony. The format of each session in the food sustainability curriculum is very similar to the home energy curriculum. Each session contains the action jar game, an introduction to the activity itself, a follow-up discussion and questions, a GLEE newscast, and a takeaway handout or token. The role-playing game and pact ceremony follow a similar format as those in the home energy curriculum. Therefore, these next series of videos will focus on the food origins game, the food choices game, and the advocacy game. The first video will describe how to set up, play, and discuss the food origins game.